Okay, students, let's solve this problem. We are given a circuit like this and they are asking you find the current through the 5 ohm resistor. We have to determine the current across this 5 ohm resistor. For solving this, I have redrawn the circuit over to here. The circuit is redrawn over here, and let's analyze the direction of current flow. We are assuming the pattern of current flow in this circuit, for which we could say from this 2-volt battery, let's say there's an I1 current coming. Let me use it in another color. There's an I1 current coming, and from this 2-volt battery, let's call an I2 current is coming, and this I1 current and I2 current, it will combine and it will go as I1 plus I2 current through this wire. Therefore that current will flow through this 5 ohm resistor. Therefore the current flowing through this 5 ohm resistor, it will be I1 plus I2, and this I1 plus I2 current will flow and it will be completing a circuit like this. Therefore, then let's form the loop. That is, in order to formulate an equation, let me draw a loop like this. I am drawing a loop like this. Let me consider a loop like this. Then from this loop, if I am applying the loop rule, I could formulate an equation. In order to apply the loop rule, we should assign a direction for the loop. Let me assign the direction of loop like this. Okay, we have assigned the direction of loop like this, and from this, if I am applying loop rule, we could see sigma E, sum of EMF is equal to sigma IR, that is the sum of the product of current and resistance. This was the rule, loop rule. Let's analyze this red color loop. In this loop, there is only one cell. Let me repeat. In this loop, there is only one cell, that is this 2-volt battery. And looking at the sign convention, the direction of loop is from negative to positive. The direction of loop is from negative to positive. Therefore, it is plus 2. 2 equal to, since there is only one cell, we could write 2 is equal to. Then let's look at the sigma IR part. Let's look at the sigma IR part. In this loop, there is 2 resistors. Which are the 2 resistors? The 2 ohm resistor over here and the 5 ohm resistor over here. And let's analyze this 2 ohm resistor. What is the current flowing through this 2 ohm resistor? The current flowing through this 2 ohm resistor is I2. The current flowing through this 2 ohm resistor is I2. It's clear. Then what is the current flowing through this 5 ohm resistor? It is I1 plus I2. Let's start from this. The current is in this direction and the loop is in the same direction. Since the current and loop are in the same direction, we could write plus 2I2, that is, I could write 2I2. Then look at this resistor. The current is in this direction, the loop is in the same direction. If the current and loop are in the same direction, then the sign convention is positive. Positive 5 into I1 plus I2. Let me expand this and form it as a simple equation, that is 2 is equal to 2I2 plus 5I1 plus what? 5I2. That means 2 is equal to 7I2 plus 5I1. 7I2 plus 5I1. We are getting an equation like this. Let's take this equation, and now we are formulating another circuit. Let me try another circuit over here, or let me try another closed loop over here. We could see a closed loop like this also. We could see a closed loop like this. And in this closed loop, let me assign the direction of loop like this. And from this closed loop, let me try to formulate an equation. Look at this closed loop and we are going to formulate an equation. If we are formulating an equation from this closed loop, what we could understand is, let's start from this battery. This battery, sign convention wise, the loop is from negative to positive, therefore 2. Then consider this cell. From this cell we could clearly see the loop's direction is from positive to negative, therefore it is negative, therefore minus 2. 2 minus 2 is sigma e is equal to, then we have to write sigma IR, or we have to write sigma I. Then if we are writing sigma I from this loop, we could see it is what? 2i1 is in this direction, therefore I could write 2i1. It's because current and loop are in the same direction. And look at this resistor, the current is I2 and the current and the direction of loop is in the opposite direction, therefore I could write 2i2, or it is minus 2i2. Okay, it's because the current and loop are in the opposite direction, that's the reason why I'm writing minus 2i2. Then we'll get 0 is equal to 2i1 minus 2i2. Then if we are taking this minus i2 to this side, we'll get 2i2 is equal to 2i1. That means i2 is equal to i1. We are getting i2 is equal to i1. And if we are getting i2 is equal to i1, let's substitute in this equation. Instead of i1, let me substitute i2. Then we will get 2 is equal to 7i2 plus 5. Instead of i1, I am writing 5i2. 7i2 plus 5i2, 7i2 plus 5i2, it is what? It is 12i2 is equal to 2. That means we are getting i2 is equal to 2 by 12, that is 1 by 6, 1 by 6 ampere. If I2 is equal to 1 by 6 ampere, what is I1? I1 is equal to I2, therefore I1 is also 1 by 6 ampere. Then you are asked to find out the current across the 5 ohm resistor. The current which is passing through this 5 ohm resistor, it is I1 plus I2. Therefore, current across 5 ohm resistor is I1 plus I2, that is 1 by 6 plus 1 by 6, that is 2 by 6. 2 by 6 is 1 by 3 ampere. Okay, this is your answer. Hope you have understood this particular problem.